You know, kitten, I'm gonna get you a nice little white mouse to play with. What, Copper? Open up the trunk. Nah. Give me the keys. Open up yourself, Copper. Go ahead. Search the car. Search us too. You think those brass buttons you got give a hunting permit on us respectable citizens, don't you? You search them, push them around, and you eye out their women. He was easy. Cops like to turn you sick scared just by staring at you. They start to running and hiding, and they laugh to fat Gus and beat the cement with a knife stick to make you run faster. Well, that might work with booze hounds, bums, and kids stealing apples. But not with me. Not with Machine Gun Kelly. Come on, let's go. You don't listen to me so good sometimes. Stop calling me cute names and showing your garters. You like to be looked at, don't you? You like to be petted. You like soft things like silk and satin, fur around your neck. You just remember, baby, something soft can choke you right into a soft death. I'm just kidding. Come on, let's go.